I'm Chef David Rose, Omaha Steaks executive chef and spokesperson. I'm pretty sure you've had a Philly cheesesteak, and I'm absolutely certain you've had a cheeseburger a time or two, but have you had a Philly cheeseburger? Ooh, what's that, you ask? Let's get into it. Into the pan we go with the Omaha Steaks beef sliders with salt and pepper. We're getting a nice hard sear. Mushroom, onions, salt, and pepper. On to the burger with the mushrooms and onions. Provolone cheese, check. Little bit of water, and then we steam and melt. Toasty bun topped with Sriracha Mayo and provolone cheese sauce. Well, there you have it, the Philly cheeseburger. It's almost too cute to eat. Almost. Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher.